Hello guys, today I'll show you how to make your own joystick controlled racing game using Arduino and processing. So as you can see here, you can control this little block. It's really simple and primitive, so there's a lot of potential to this, and it's like my third time using processing, so I'm sorry if it's not really refined. And if you go to the edge, it will bounce you off. And there's also the friction mechanic, so it will eventually slow down if you let go of the button. Okay, so let's dive into the code. This is the Arduino part, and I just basically pulled this off the Arduino tutorial site. The whole purpose of this is to get the X and Y value from my joystick. So if you compile this, and you have to make sure of the serial port right here, 9600 I'm using, it's COM3. You could use the get button right here when I press the button on the joystick, but I'm not really using that, so it's optional. So right here, I just open the serial monitor. You change the position like this, and if you press the last one, I think it's kind of reversed because 0 is supposed to be non-active. So I don't know. Right now I'm moving it, and I'm not moving, so yeah. And even when I close it, it's still running. So let's go over to the processing part. First, you need to import this to handle the serial monitor, and then initialize all these values. I have a PNG file here, here, which is basically the map. And then you need to handle all the controls. So you fetch the data from the serial monitor, and then you split into a list, and then get the individual parts. So you get the position of the joystick. And we needed to declare a dead zone because there's gonna be variation and some errors. So let's say the original is like it's supposed to be 512, but my joystick, it has some little bit of error, so the original Y value is like 520 and X value is like 500. So in order to actually move the block, you need to move the joystick more than around 600 or 400. So yeah, and this is just to render everything. And the camera is gonna be third person and this is basically really simple collision handling. Like I said, this has a lot of potential, but this is my third time using processing, so I don't know a lot about it. So let's run this. And oh yeah, also it's gonna output like the joystick positions, is it? Yeah, and the button state in the console. So okay, here we are. Okay, so seems to be an error here. So let's just go back, recompile this. And then go back here, run this thing. Okay, now it's working. See, so the original value is like 500, around 500, and sometimes it lags a bit. I don't know why. So if there's no dead zone, then it would be moving in random direction right now, right? So it's always varying. So I'm moving it right now, and just moving it straight forward, turning it straight forward, go back. Yeah. So yeah, I could add a coin mechanics or a lot of more 3D stuff, but this is really bad. Anyways, actually, this is the GitHub if you want the code. Alright, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.